Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make math simple. And today I want to look at standard form explained. This lesson is for both primary, secondary schools. You can find this useful. Now let's go to the lesson. Standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is a way of writing large numbers or very small numbers in a shorter and simpler form. And this is the scientific notation, of writing a standard form number. Our standard form is being expressed. A times 10 raised to the power n. Now that A there is a number that is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. And n is any positive or negative integer. When we say integers, integers are all numbers, negative or positive. An example of a standard form number is, let's say you are given a number 7,090,000. How can we write this in standard form? 7.0 times 10 raised to the power 6. That's how you write it in standard form. So now let's look at converting ordinary numbers to standard form. Now here are some few steps that you have to note. First, move the decimal point until the first number is between 1 and 10. Second, as you move this decimal point, you count the number of places the decimal point has been moved. Number 3, write your answer as A times 10 raised to the power n. Now remember, when you move the decimal point to the left, it is a positive power. When you move it to the right, it is a negative power. Now let's look at example 1. Express 7,090,000 in standard form. So what do we do? For every whole number, note that the decimal point is at the end of the number, even if you can't see it. So now let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've stopped here. Now, how many times have we moved to the left? 6 times. So what do? We express our decimal. 7.09 times 10 raised to the power 6. Look at it closely. The 6 there is positive. Now let's go to the next example. Now express 0.00017. This is a decimal number, that's a whole number in standard form. Now for a decimal number, you see the point, you move to the right. For a whole number, you move to the left. Now look at this decimal number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. How many times have we moved to the left? 4 times. That's negative. So 1.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. So now these few questions so that you can follow what we've just done. Pause this video and solve them and write your answers on the comment section below. Now let's continue. Now converting these standard form numbers can also be converted back to ordinary numbers. Now how can we do that? Convert 6.3 times 10 raised to the power 5 to an ordinary number. Now note, 10 raised to the power 5 is 100,000. That means that 5 there means it has 5 zeros. Now you multiply 6.3 times 100,000 and this gives us what? 630,000. Now let's take a look at another one. Convert 4.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 to an ordinary number. Now 10 raised to the power minus 6 is a decimal number. This means 0.000001. This tells you that we have 6 zeros. Look at it closely. Now you multiply this number 4.08 times 0.00001. This is the answer. So for us to take it back, it requires multiplication. To take a decimal number or a standard form number back to an ordinary number, you multiply. To take an ordinary number to a standard form number, you move the point. Try these few examples and let's see how it goes. Leave your answers in the comment section below. If you have any question whatsoever that you're not clear, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll see what we can do concerning that. Everybody will follow. Remember, learning one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Like this video, leave your questions in the comments. Share this lesson with your friends so they can share with their friends so we can all learn together. Please subscribe for more mathematics lessons and follow us on Math in Minutes with Glory for more updates. Making math simple 1 minute at a time. See ya.